Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's me Mustafa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from today I started You Can Make It series. The things which I'm going to make are too easy, even you can also try it. In this video I'm going to make a simple classic origami paper boat. If you are new to my channel, then just subscribe, then hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. So let's start the craft work in the name of Allah. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay guys, so you can as usual see I taken an A4 size paper and cut it into the square, and now I'm making it into half. Actually I'm not cutting, just dividing the paper and then taking one more fold and making it a small A4 size paper. Now you can see we got some 4 sections. Okay, so by taking one side I am pressing it on the right side, and the other side which are left over I'm shifting it at the back. Okay, so now what I did is I make a cap, a type of cap. In India it is known as Gandhi topi. Okay, see this one. So now let's convert this square into a rhombus. Okay, so the folds which we done, 4 folds, paper half side folds. Now we are going to open it. Okay, the corner side. It is actually too easy. What you need to do is just rewind somewhat video and see video one more time and try it one or two times. It is not much hard, you can also try it. Okay, so guys, now you can also even throw this board in the water. Actually I don't have somewhat type of utensil to show. Okay, I want to make somewhat designs. Okay, actually it will not look good if I just keep it plain. So let's make a Kashmiri style board. In the region of Jammu and Kashmir, this type of designs you can see on the board strips. Okay, on the upper sides of board strip. So that type of board strip just now came in my mind and I start making. Actually I doesn't have any extra plan to make this type of painting, that type of painting. So that's the reason I thought that if I make somewhat videos of origami, simple art, innovative art, without planning something extra, by just opening the camera of the phone and start making something, it will be too good. Okay, so I designed S shape. Now let's make somewhat extra designs. Okay, reverse, I can say it as C, inverted C. Okay, not inverted, reverse C. Okay, that type of. Actually my plan is to start this series is just to help everyone to think creative. Okay, actually there are many things extra rather than painting on canvas, making something extra art with inks, oil pastel, crayons. You can also be much creative and make origami things. Actually origami is one of my favorite part, because when I still remember when I was 10 years old, I used to make everything from paper by folding it, by scribbling it, by applying some glue. Later on I started working with paint, crayons, oil pastels, oil sticks, etc., color pencils. Okay, because that things have realism, and due to the shortage of some place in my home, that's the reason I left over this work. But now I have enough space, so I started working again. And also I want to help my all friends to know all these simple things, because these simple things are that which make you think something different. Okay, also you can do is by taking this paper board, you can stick on paper and make something new type of artwork. Okay, by using paint, oil pastels, making somewhat sketches. Yes, it will look even more good. Okay, so one board I done. Okay, let me show from different angle. Guys, how it looks need is somewhat comments in the comment box. Okay, so let's make one more. Okay, now I am making a Bombay style fisher board. In Bombay you can see the local fishermen have this type of design board. A simple thing is Kashmiri boats have the strip and designs on the upper side, and the fishermen who used to work for taking fish and for daily wages, they used to work on this type of boat which have lower designs, because this is the thing which shows the difference between local type of boat and royal style in something fancy type. Okay, just I'm using nothing extra material, only basic color pencil and sketch pens. Okay, This is only the thing, that is the reason I given it as a title, of you can make it. Okay, you can make it. Guys, I want you all to be work like this. If you after this, make the paperboard, make some designs and send on my Instagram handle blendartstudio. Okay, I think so this much also is enough. Let me show from different angle. So guys, how this everything looks needs some suggestion in the comment box. Okay, if you need to look, if you need more on origami videos, then write in the comment box. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Okay guys, this is the time to end this video. Need your like, suggestion and comments related this work. If you need more videos, then write in the comment box. Okay guys, so Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care and stay safe.